If you're struggling with staying focused, staying motivated, and succeeding in your online classes, then this video is for you. My first strategy that I've used is to have a solid routine. I'm telling you, having a good morning routine and a good night routine is essential, because if you just wake up and you turn on the computer and you just start working straight out of bed, still in your pajamas, like half asleep, half awake, you're gonna be so groggy, you're gonna be tired, you're maybe not gonna do that good of a work, you're not really gonna be retaining that information, your work isn't gonna be that good, if I'm being honest, and it's just not sustainable to have some sort of routine that you're still taking care of yourself, you're still like, eating at a good time, and you're still getting enough, 8, 9, however many hours of sleep that you need, that you're still showering and like going outside and getting some sunlight like that. Those are very, very important things. You're gonna need certain days or certain hours where you can unplug and relax. Just because you can do your homework at any time of the day or any day of the week doesn't mean you should. And please do not spend all day in your pajamas. Maybe if you're having like an off day or a difficult day, we'll let it slide, right? But if you're spending every day in your pajamas, it just makes you kind of psychologically feel lazy, and you just don't want to do anything. I find that for me, 90 minutes of schoolwork and then taking a break and doing other things and then another 90 minutes is really, really, really helpful. All the stuff that I'm saying might just sound stupid to you, because I know that it doesn't have anything to do with actual schoolwork, but I promise you that your environment, your mindset, all of those things heavily influence your schoolwork, your motivation, and your focus, because with online classes, you are in control. If you do not make the effort to turn on that computer and to watch the lecture or to read your textbook, like, it's just not gonna get done. There's not gonna be a professor talking to you and telling you, okay, please study for the test. We have a test tomorrow, please study for the test. Guys, make sure you study for the test. There's not gonna be anybody doing that for you, okay? My other strategy is, in order to be more productive, make sure you are establishing boundaries. It's not healthy and it's not sustainable to do all of your homework in bed. And I keep saying this because I have done this and I still kind of do this, but it just doesn't work. After a while, you just get so tired, you get distracted, you fall asleep. So what I like to do is I like to sometimes, just a couple times a week, go to the library. I'm sure there's a public one near you. Or go to a coffee shop, or even go to the park. I mean, that's completely for free. You don't have to buy a coffee or anything. And going to the park is a great option. I know that since it's online, there might not be Wi-Fi at the park. Maybe you could do like a hotspot with your phone or something like that. But that's a great place because you get to be outside in nature, and that can sort of relax you. My other strategy is to avoid distractions at all costs. Online distractions are like multiplied by 10. So what I like to do, I like to go ahead and put my phone on airplane mode. I like to put a sign on my door, because I still live with my parents, letting them know, hey, I'm doing schoolwork. I will lock my door. If I have to, sometimes I go into my car and I do my homework from the driveway in my car, because there's just too much noise, there's just too much going on. And if there are other people in your household, maybe try doing your schoolwork when they are not home. I've also found there's a really good website blockers. I have one on my computer right now. If you find yourself that if you find that you can't just like control yourself from going on Instagram or YouTube, you can download one. There's plenty of free ones. Download one on your computer, download one on your phone, and it will just block certain websites or apps for however long you put. To add on to that, if you need to go a little bit more extreme, I would delete social media apps from your phone, just for the time being. You can always like download them back. Actually, deleting them would probably free up a lot of space on your phone. But if you have like a really, really big project, or you just find that you just can't stop opening the apps, like even if you put your phone across the room, somehow it ends up back on your phone, and then you don't know like where your hours have gone, I like to just delete them off my phone, block them on my computer. Online students sometimes get a bad rep, you're just seen as lazy, or that online school is so easy and anybody can do it and you're not learning anything. But the truth is, it is so much more time consuming than a traditional class, and anyone can not study, not pay attention, not focus, and just not put in any effort into a class and still pass it, right? If somebody asks you to hang out, but you're busy with school, just let them know, hey, I can't hang out today or tomorrow or right now, but I can hang out at such and such date, at such and such time. You know, I'm sorry, I just have this commitment. Please let them know, because you will have people who just see you at home on your computer and think you're just like watching YouTube or think you're just hanging out, but you actually have stuff to do. Everything I mentioned is down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like, subscribe for some more college videos, and I will see you next week.